Copper tubing comes in a variety of sizes, which used to mean you had to carry a different C-style copper tubing cutter for every size. Not anymore. Ridgid offers 2 C-style copper tubing cutters that do what it used to take 3 tools to do. Together, they cut 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. One model covers both 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch copper tubing. Its innovative quick change feature lets you switch between sizes quickly and easily. One tool, 2 uses. The other model has a 1 inch capacity. The Ridgid Excel wheel pin makes cutter wheel replacement quick and simple. Cutting through copper tubing is made easy by snapping onto the copper tube and smoothly rotating the cutter. Patented slots allow you to advance the cutter in tight spaces with a flathead screwdriver. Don't fill your toolbox with extra tools you don't need. The Ridgid C-style copper tubing cutters put the power of 3 tools into 2.
Tough projects around the house demand versatility and extreme gripping power. The Craftsman Extreme Grip 10-inch locking adjustable wrench combines the strength of locking pliers and the versatility of an adjustable wrench in one tool. The anti-slip adjustable jaw opens up to 1 inch, giving you the ability to work on a variety of different sized fasteners. The locking mechanism clamps down into place, delivering 2 times more power on rounded fasteners. Place and tighten up the jaw, clamp down the locking mechanism, and get to work. When the job is done, break the stronghold with a quick release handle. And do the dirty work without scratching up your hardware. The adjustable jaws were designed with fewer serrated grooves, and the locking mechanism keeps the grip constant. The first Craftsman hand tool that combines extreme power and superior grip for an uncompromising engagement on fasteners. The Craftsman Extreme Grip 10-inch locking adjustable wrench, a part of the Craftsman Extreme Grip lineup. Craftsman.